Hello, this is a tutorial video on how to use the icon generator slash logo generator. First, you're going to want to make sure that we've opened the development folder through the terminal. So all you have to do is go over here, open an integrated terminal. I've already done that. Next, we're going to go ahead and node index.js to activate our generator. It's going to ask for a text. We're just going to use something basic. And then we want the text color to be, go with red. And then for the color of the shape, let's go with blue. And then I'm feeling circle today, so we're going to click on circle. Now the SVG has been generated, so we'll go over to the logo SVG, and on here it has been the code has been generated, the SVG has been generated, the width, height, we've selected the fill for the text to be red, and the fill for the circle to be blue, and the TXT is right there. So next we're going to open with a live server, and on here we see the SVG generated. Now next we're going to go ahead and test our code to make sure everything is working fine and dandy. So what you want to do is go over here, open an integrated terminal, and make sure that it's in lib. So next we want to make sure everything is running smoothly. So we're going to type in npm test. I'm going to hit enter, and it's going to take a second to run to make sure everything is working. Alright. Now the test has passed and everything works. Alright, have a nice day.